I am going to pull up the fire alarm. Yeah, I pulled up the fire alarm. Oh no.
Nicole, how dare you pulled up the fire alarm? That's it, I am calling your parents. Hello, Mr. and Miss Nicole. Your daughter pulled up the fire alarm. Can you ground her? Goodbye.
Nicole, how dare you pulled up the fire alarm at school? That's it, you are grounded for 834834877347834783666666666654325232533254324444444 years. Now it's time for spanking, young lady.
No 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 no.
Now let's splash purple goo.
Now it's time for loud music. Now it's time to sing you a song.
No 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 no.
La 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 la.
La 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 la
Now let's go to your room so we can start your punishment.
Put everything in this box now.
Wow.